Welcome to another video of Best Deals. Check the description below as discounts and coupons will only be valid through those links.
When you want to give yourself the happiness of delicious coffee comparable to your favorite restaurant or cafe, the BUNN Speed Brew is the brewer for you. The newest 10-cup brewer from BUNN combines quick brew technology and contemporary curved design. It features an internal hot water tank that keeps water heated to the optimal temperature so you can brew a full pot in about 4 minutes. Simply add your favorite coffee, pour water in, and let the BUNN engineered spray head work its magic, allowing you to enjoy delicious hot coffee in minutes. Speed Brew is backed by BUNN 3-year warranty and comes with the 10-cup Pour-O-Matic drip-free carafe. This carafe is specially designed to eliminate spillage down the side of the carafe and on the warming plate. BUNN Speed Brew gets you to your happy place fast. Delicious cafe-quality coffee from the comfort of your own home.
Is there a standoff brewing in your home? Can't agree on a traditional coffee maker versus a single serve? Steer clear of a showdown with the Cuisinart Coffee Center and have the best of both worlds, all with one appliance. The single serve brewer uses our home barista reusable filter cup or any variety K-Cup with 3 cup sizes and instant heat up. The programmable 12-cup brewer lets you enjoy premium features like adjustable brew strength, auto on and off, and brew pause. The Cuisinart Coffee Center. When it comes to coffee makers, you can have it all.
The K-Elite brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer is fully featured for maximum beverage customization. and the brushed finish and metal detail blends seamlessly with your kitchen. Increase your coffee's strength and intensity with strong brew from the K-Elite brewer. Select from 5 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. For full-flavored iced coffee, brew hot over ice by selecting the iced button. Need hot water for instant soups or oatmeal? Just press the hot water button. The large, removable reservoir holds 75 ounces, which means you can brew 8 cups with just one fill. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. And the programmable on-off allows you to set the exact time your brewer turns on in the morning, helping to save energy. Using your K-Elite brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, select your brew size, and enjoy a perfect brew, hot or iced, every time.
We're hard-working Americans, and life moves fast these days. When we're in a hurry for great-tasting coffee, we count on the BUNN Speed Brew Coffee Maker. It can make a full pot of coffee in half the time of the other top-selling coffee makers. Or it can brew a 20-ounce travel mug just for you. The secret is a commercial-grade stainless steel tank that's always full of hot water. Pour cold water in, and hot coffee comes out less than 4 minutes later. Simple, fast, amazing. The Speed Brew uses the same professional standards that made BUNN America's leading commercial coffee equipment company, so we can always count on great-tasting coffee at home, too. It comes with an exclusive drip-free carafe and premium 3-year warranty because it's built to last. So go ahead, pour another cup. We'll brew more.
We will appreciate your likes and comments. Enjoy your savings and subscribe for new deals.